saw some light. I know. Say you had a long day, and so did I. Thought we came a long way from lashing out on alcohol. Don't crash out. Don't need you crashing out. And I don't want no problems with you, 'cause I know how you get off that Julio. Cause it creates more problems for you. Way more problems for you than you know. And I'm not trying to start nothing. You know I'm on your side, but I am just trying to do what's right. And I'm not trying to fight with you, but you know you ain't right. But you won't deny and just lie. So I can't keep trying if you gon' deny